Hey Mel, Luanne, Mark Wensley. We're here at your lot, beautiful Adventure Bay, on a nice Okanagan afternoon. Weather's touch and go, but sun's shining, fairly warm, and there's your lot. So you can see some of the material coming in, and this is the material they've dug off. And it's coming along really nice. It's getting there. Looking forward to seeing you guys in a week. See ya. Hey Mel, we're out at your lot. Thought we'd give you a little video commentary. So your worker's texting his girlfriend down in the... Okay, he's all done. Anyways, they're making a bit of progress here, so things are coming along. Mel and Luanne, Mark here. Just arrived at your lot. It's Monday morning. Give you a little sample of video here for you to look at. So a little bit of topsoil here, but it's nothing major. So we'll just get them to leave that, I think. Pad looks really good, so hopefully all the tests, engineering tests, have been done. Okay, one more shot looking up Crofton. Then you can see where they've accessed your lot on your neighbor's lot to the south of you. Not exactly sure what the plan was for bringing back the lot next to you in its original condition, but there you have it. Well, day one, Mel and Luanne, getting your lot ready. Excavators on site, as you can see. Everything's going great. We've got permits from City of Vernon, so we're ready to roll. And there's our framers mascot, making sure everything's done right. Mel and Luanne, here's the progress report for this morning. Footings were poured a couple of days ago, and walls are up. We're going to be pouring this afternoon the foundation walls, so everything's going very, very well. We've got 2 crews on site, so lots of progress the last few days. It's looking good. We're looking forward to you guys coming up here to have a look at it and getting some of the scheduling worked out with you. Good morning, Mel and Luanne. It's a rainy Saturday morning. Thought I'd give you a little glimpse of where your house is at. So foundation obviously is finished here, and they stripped off the forms. The damp proofing has been done. That's the tar that you're seeing there. There's your front entryway. That's a sonotube to hold up the post that's going to be, or the roof line that's covering your front entrance. And there's your basement slab insulated on the outside. So this week we'll be doing the mechanical underneath that slab, and by the time you get here, backfilling should be done, and we may... And updated video, things are progressing along really well here. It's excellent. Here's a shot showing the rock wall as it comes into the front yard. And then the rock wall towards the back. And there's the window in the laundry room and bathroom down below. So you can see why we needed to have the rock wall. And actually, even if it was framed up and you wanted a dark basement there, you'd still be dealing with a rock wall to retain that. But there's where the window is. Here we go, you guys. Boys just finished. Whole main floor is done. Back deck is done here. Low shot here. Looking good. Here's another view up top here. Here you can see it's all done. Whole main floor. Pretty nice views, of course. The suspended garage floor is done as well, and they'll be standing some walls next week. And you can see your stairs there. And your deck over here is done as well. I'm going to be the first one to stand on your patio deck here. Nice and big, holy crow. Nice. There's your view. Not too shabby. Here we are inside. They got the steel beams in. There's the first one there in the downstairs family. Then into the garage. Or under the garage, I should say. That's done as well. Stairs are in. Yeah, looking good. Sunny day here in Vernon. The guys are flying along here. Bunch of walls up already. Looking really good. Yeah, looking good. We got a full crew here today. There's your big transom windows and openings. Pretty big. Pretty nice. Your dining room into the kitchen, and where guys are working on the garage. Looks like we'll be standing trusses on Monday. Hey, Mel and Luanne, wanted to give you an update of your house. So the crane just left the site after standing all the trusses. House is looking absolutely awesome. We're really happy with how it's progressed. So I'm going to give you a little walk through, you guys, into the garage. Here's the entrance door. Front door here. Stairs. And looking out to the beautiful view. So, wow, nice high ceilings. Looks fantastic. A little bit of fog off the lake this morning. Your deck is absolutely huge. So looking up in the corner off of your deck here, back into your master bedroom. Very nice. Okay, a little shot of the basement. Nice and clean work site. It's good. And I'll just take you underneath your garage here for a second as well. It's fantastic. Really glad we did this bunker underneath for you guys. A lot of space. That's where your sanitary sewer exits the house there.
Side view, we're going to put a window in the side there. It's a little too bland. Back up. Gonna go walk to the house and look over the garage door. One door is 1 foot wider than the other. That's the 10-foot door, the 9-foot door in width. Here's our outdoor washroom. It's not heated. And I'll circle around and look up the other end of the road. And our Sylvia lives in that house, our neighbor. Our new car, front of the house, the den, thinking of putting stonework on the den, the garage, it's got rain glass. So who's that model? Luanne. The garbage bin. Those are the windows that go up in the transoms. We're a little worried about the sun coming in there. Hopefully it won't be too bad. It'll be all kitchen area. Maybe a desk here. Garage behind. Front door. Yeah, go ahead.
I want to think about this door here.
Hey Mel Luanne, thought I'd give you a little brief video of your house. These front doors in. If you notice the sprinkler systems, the fire system is there. It's looking really good. Windows in. So we're just getting ready for the electricians to show up here pretty quick. I'm just going to walk into the ensuite. There's your double sinks. They're not looking too good yet, but it'll be great when it's done. Back side of the fireplace from the living room area. There's the tub. There's some of the plumbing system down in your mechanical room.